Hello, I'm Louise from Knowle Craft, and I just wanted to say a big welcome to your embroidery subscription. Each month you will get an exclusive PDF pattern to download. As well as a PDF booklet, you will also get a video that will take you from start to finish, from transferring your pattern to backing your hoop and all the stitches in between. I'm so glad that you decided to join us. It doesn't matter if you've got experience with embroidery or if you have never picked up a needle and thread in your life. We share with you everything we know about your essential embroidery tools, and we share with you top tips to take your embroidery to the next level.